Telegram is a messaging app available for cross-platform use. In this video, we will show you how you can translate texts in a chat on Telegram. Open the app and tap on the search button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type and search for a bot called Babblegram, then tap on this option. This bot allows you to easily translate the message in a chat or a group so you can communicate with people. Tap on Start button at the bottom of the screen to start using it. You can now go to the group you want to use the bot for. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. Tap on Administrators option to add the bot as an admin for the group. Tap on Add Admin button. Search for the Babblegram bot and tap on it. In the pop-up message, tap on Add as Admin option. You can view and edit the different permissions for the bot here and tap on Done button at the top to confirm. Now go back to the group chat and tap on the message bar at the bottom. Mention the bot in the chat by typing at Babblegram in the message bar. Next, type the code for the language you want to change from, then add code for the language you want to change the chat text to. Here we want to convert the text from English to Spanish, so we use the code EN for English and ES for Spanish. Now type the text you want to convert from English to Spanish. You will see the translation of the text here, and you can tap on it to send translated text version in the chat. You can view all the languages that are supported by this bot and their codes required for converting by typing and sending /languages in chat. This bot contains a huge number of supported languages available for conversion. You can also enable the auto translation for all the texts by sending /enable and codes for the languages. You will see a confirmation message in the chat. Any text that you send in chat will be translated automatically.